Arch Linux KDE Plasma versus Hyprland. Which desktop environment is better? Choosing the right desktop environment can completely change how you experience Linux without sacrificing performance or customization. We'll explore KDE Plasma and Hyprland briefly. KDE Plasma and Hyprland are two popular desktop environments for Arch Linux users. KDE Plasma offers a full-featured, highly customizable experience, while Hyprland focuses on a modern, dynamic tiling window manager approach. The core difference lies in user interface style and workflow. KDE Plasma is a mature, feature-rich desktop environment designed for flexibility and ease of use. It provides a traditional desktop layout with panels, widgets, and a comprehensive settings menu. Powered by the Qt framework, Plasma offers smooth animations and extensive theming options. Users can customize nearly every aspect, from window behavior to desktop effects. It supports a wide range of applications and integrates well with Arch Linux's package ecosystem. Strengths include user-friendly design, powerful tools like KRunner for quick launching, and excellent hardware compatibility. However, Plasma can be resource-intensive compared to minimalist environments, which might affect performance on older hardware. Ideal users are those who want a visually appealing, customizable desktop with a balance of power and usability, suitable for both newcomers and experienced Linux users who prefer a traditional desktop metaphor. Hyprland is a dynamic tiling window manager built for Arch Linux users seeking a modern, keyboard-driven workflow. It emphasizes efficiency and minimalism by automatically organizing windows into tiles, reducing the need for manual resizing. Hyprland uses Wayland, offering better security and smoother graphics compared to X11-based environments. It supports customization through configuration files and scripting, but lacks the graphical control panels found in KDE Plasma. Its strengths include low resource usage, fast window management, and a sleek, contemporary interface. Limitations involve a steeper learning curve and less out-of-the-box functionality, requiring users to configure and extend it for their needs. Hyprland is ideal for power users and developers who prefer keyboard shortcuts, want maximum control over their workspace, and value performance and modern display protocols over traditional desktop features. KDE Plasma and Hyprland serve different user priorities. Plasma excels in providing a polished, full desktop experience with extensive graphical tools, ideal for users who want customization without deep configuration. It fits well for daily use, multimedia, and multitasking with a familiar interface. Hyprland shines in performance and workflow efficiency, perfect for users comfortable with command line tweaks and keyboard navigation. It reduces distractions by focusing on window tiling and minimalism, but requires more setup time. Plasma uses more system resources but offers broader hardware support and user-friendly features. Hyprland is lightweight and future-proof with Wayland support but trades off ease of use. Choosing between them depends on whether you prioritize a feature-rich desktop or a streamlined keyboard-centric environment. Choose KDE Plasma if you want a visually rich, customizable desktop with powerful tools and an intuitive interface that works well out of the box. Opt for Hyprland if you prefer a minimal, efficient tiling window manager built on Wayland. Ideal for advanced users focused on speed and keyboard-driven workflows. Both offer unique strengths, so pick the one that best matches your Linux experience and product.